jumping for joy about healthy living.
Nice cut, Fletcher! Yes!
25 Farrer teenagers becoming students as lifestyle advocates as part of the SALSA program.
It's about sleep and what to drink, what to eat, but it also helps you in kind of making those lifestyle choices.
Today's session delivered by fourth-year allied health students from the University of Newcastle's Tamworth campus.
Information can be a little bit confusing, especially around nutrition and even exercise, and so I think this provides some basic education.
High schools across Tamworth, Narrabri, Gunnedah, Armidale and Glen Innes have now signed up, agreeing SALSA's message is more important than ever. Data from Health Stats New South Wales reveals nearly 30% of children across the Hunter New England Health District are overweight or obese, compared to the 22% state average. 69% of adults are overweight.
We want to work with people earlier in life and before disease becomes an issue.
Healthwise says it's crucial students lead the program.
Young people do really value the thoughts and opinions of peers.
And it wasn't all fun and games. Students heading into the classroom to build an action plan on how healthy strategies can be enforced on campus.
Whoever eats the most of those vegetables gets a prize.
Year 10 students now excited to share what they've learnt with Year 7 and 8 students in Term 3.
I think it's really beneficial to them as well because they get a deeper understanding and we get some experience both in a teaching space but also in the understanding of the topic.
Gabriella Warner, NBN News.